This is Jyn Erso. I would like to share with you my experience when I went on my first date with Cassian Andor. For our first date, we went to Walmart. There, I insisted that he try on some SpongeBob lingerie. He refused, saying he instead preferred family guy lingerie. Interestingly enough, while we were walking to the lingerie department, I saw Obi-Wan's corpse hanging from a nail on the wall. His pants were stuffed with excrement, and his lightsaber was impaled his butt cheek. Eventually, Cassian tried on the family guy lingerie, but it was quite interesting. Conventionally, people and or women put the bra over the chest and the panties around their waist. As yet, I knew from this moment was the one I wanted to date because he defied convention. Instead of putting the bra over his chest, he put the bra over his head. In addition, he put the panties around his feet. It was all fun and games until he realized, after putting the bra over his head, that the bra was filled with excrement. And so, while he stood there with excrement stuffed over his head, bound to his head by Family Guy bra, I shot him. I realized that actually, in fact, he wasn't the guy for me. Which young lady like myself wants to date a man who has bra stuffed over his head and excrement smothering his face?